Hello everyone, my name is Catherine and today you are in Cat's Girls. For this video, I'm gonna be doing my box braid tutorial. I cut them recently and I actually did record me doing them or whatever originally in a different video. I have recorded it already, but the quality, the lighting was trash. The quality was terrible. It was like 11 o'clock at night and I decided to record that. Don't know why. But I am going to re-record it right now, right here. You already know. Show you how to do box braids the way I do my box braids. I started off with my head. I washed it and conditioned it, deep conditioned it. Then I had my mom help me part my hair into sections. I did the first 2 rows, like I parted it myself, and then I just told her to help me part the rest of it. And then I used rubber bands to secure it, every single one of them, and then I braided it like a regular braid. What braiding my whole head did was prepare the sections, and it made 3 sections, so when I added the hair, it would be already in 3 sections. Let's get on into the video. So first thing I have to do is take it out. So water bottle. I'm doing this without a mirror, by the way, because I think I'm cool. Yeah, lots of hair comes out. Don't be scared, it's normal. This is what will happen after a month. So, after you brush out your hair, you're gonna get some leave-in conditioner. However much you need for that section. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out my baby hairs right now because later on it's gonna be hard to do that. We're gonna take Murray's Edge wax and then we're gonna put this around the perimeter of the square. So you can even do your edges right here and now, but I'm not gonna do that. Like, I don't care about doing my edges right now. So after that, grab an elastic band and you're gonna tie it around the hair 5 times. And you can tighten it to your liking. I like mine's tight, so I would do this to them. After that, I'm going to do is grab the hair, the synthetic hair. This hair is already brushed. This is the hair color that I use and the hair brand that I use. Sensational Color TB27. This is the hair that I'm using. What feathering is pulling down on, like, you see how when I pulled it, I don't know if you can tell, but when I pulled it down, it like comes out. That is so your hair won't be blunt. Since the rest of my hair is blunt, I'm gonna do it like that. But so what you're gonna do is separate your hair into 2 sections, about this much, and then you're going to take 1 piece smaller and 1 piece bigger, and then you're gonna cross the smaller piece over the bigger piece and have your 3 legs. So basically this is 1 leg, these 2 are 1 leg, and then this one is another leg. My hair was already braided when I did this, so it was in 3 sections. So 1, 2, 3. It was in 3 sections, and then this is so uncomfortable. And I grabbed these 3 sections, lay it over top, grab them into the section, and then as you can see, it's laying right flat on my head and the rubber band. Then what I did was I just started braiding. So I just did this. I gotta make sure that stays there. I hold it until I complete 1 braid, like 1 part of the braid. Then do it again and again, and then I just continue braiding. When you get to your hair, use some of the Murray's Edge Wax or Eco Styler Gel, whichever type of holding product you like to use. Like if you only like conditioner, use that. I'm going to take some more of this and put it on my ends. So here, and bring it down with the Murray's Edge Wax. Braid it. Find another piece right here. That's my hair. Grab some more Murray's Edge Wax. Put it on there. Braid again. This is my hair. More of Murray's Edge Wax. And then I just continue braiding. Alright, this is what my braids look like after cutting them. And like after having them for 3 weeks, they don't look great. My scalp is itchy, dirty. But that's okay because I will wash it off. And I did use oils, the 2 oils that I used to stop my scalp from itching, or like to help it just not itch so much. So I use tea tree oil, just regular organic tea tree oil. I got this from Target. And I use Palmer's coconut oil formula with vitamin E coconut oil strong root spray. I got this from Target also. This has coconut oil, manure oil, and peppermint oil. I love me some peppermint oil. I'm gonna spray it right now. This is perfect for like if you come home from the gym with like, and you have braids and like your head is like itching. Use those oils and the spray. Use the oil and the spray to like just relieve the itching and just massage it in. That helps a lot because when I come from dance practice, it helps a lot. Speaking of dance practice, so we just released a new video, Ashanti Say Less, our choreography video version of it. Go check that out. I'll put the link in the bio. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, turn on that little bell icon so you can be notified every time I post. And I'll see you in the next one. Box part of the braid was I didn't get to record it because I did these braids because I was going on a trip and I didn't want my hair to be all over the place. I'm taking them out tonight. All right.